Tender Bobs. Try namin to dito. Best seller daw nila yan. Pork chop, roast belly, saka yung chicken steak. We are here. Tender Bobs. Tender Bobs. Patabaing baboy. Egi ako. Kain tayo.
Wala.
So we're going to eat here. And kain kami ng delivery na. Yes, may libre. Yes, libre.
Yes. Boomerang.
Ito na yung kanilang, ano to? Pork chop. Hungry. Hungry pork chop. Hungry pork chop. So, yan daw yung kanilang best seller dito. Pork chop. Hungry pork chops. Let's try. So, ito na yung order. Roast beef belly. Sana masarap. Mukha naman siyang masarap. Let's try. Let's eat. Kain guys, tikman na natin yan. Oh, mukhang masarap. Ay, sorry. Daming kubiyas. Let's try.
Kasi parang kulang tong talas nito.
Alin? Ako, I think I'm gonna use, wala pa pala akong
Ah, yung isa sa
mamaya na. Ang dami pa nito. Tabi mo na lang. If you want. Kain tayo. Yum. Ay, ba't may oil? Oh, kuha ka. Uy, ang first bite.
yummy.
So, melts in your mouth. Let's put the gravy. Stop.
Iwan ko ng corn cup.
Yeah, I'll eat that. Yeah.
Diyan na. Gusto ko lang yung
You can have this gulay.
yan eh.
Ay, sobrang tender. Kaya nga tender bobs eh.
Baka sabihan ko kaya nga ano.
Sobrang tender. Tender bobs. Stop. Corn chubs.
All of my life, I've been waiting for, baby. I've been waiting. Came to my life.
Yeah, it's alright. It's okay. Sobrang lambot. Perfect. Sobrang lambot.
Parang hindi tayo ng banat.
Hindi, mas mahal din dito. May bago na akong gustong kainan.
Nice.
Patay. Kain mo na kami. Bigyan ako ni Pion ng... What's this? Pork chop. Yan. Try natin. Tikman natin. Tikman natin ang pork chop. Yung masarap din. Let's try. I need ano. Ito na natanggal ko na. Tikman natin. Sarap. Yummy. Sarap din. Itong pork chop. Sarap nga dito. Ito ang chismis.
Nice.
Totoo nga.
Sarap. Worth it naman yung price nito. Sarap. The best. Perfect. Sarap ng sweet corn. Ang tabi. Yeah. Ang sarap. The best. Ang masarap eh. Ang sarap. The best. Update. Almost done. Sarap. Busog. Meron pa. Sarap. Nakakabusog. The beef, roast beef, so
Yummy!
so good. So tender. Tapos na. And we're done. Tapos na kami kumain. Busog. Are you busog? Ubus oh. Good job, tender bugs. So yummy. May pagkain pa. May tinga nga lang. Walang toothpick dito.
Floss.
May floss lang.
Wow!
Oh, social. Charot. Bili na lang daw ng floss. Finish. Wala kasing free toothpick.
All of my life, I've been waiting for, baby. I've been waiting. You came to my life, fill my days with love.
Okay lang yan. Asian Festival ng market. Mga sale. Wala, naubos ng 90 pa. 45. Parang dati namang 45 pesos di ba? Ayan, no, magkano yan? Yun, no, yun. Mixed nuts. Unsalted. Ito din, ano. Marami dito. Ayan, mga buy one, get one dito. Ice cream. Saan? Kanto. Agimat Gin. Ayan, no. Nakakatakot yung agimat. Baka maagimat ka dyan. Ayan, madami dyan, oh. Madam. Hello. Let's go. Wala na yung iba.